Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video uh, we are going to get an overview of ChatGPT, that what it is and how it works. I hope you know about ChatGPT. It is an AI, artificial intelligence tool, but have you ever thought that how it works? What are the things and elements behind it that it enables to working? So in this video we are going to learn that things. So let's start. So first of all, we will know that what it is exactly. So basically, it is a generative AI chatbot used to simulate human conversation, and it is developed by OpenAI. So, and it is used to write code, analyze, and create images, and to create or generate content. So, and its full form is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT full form is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay, and how it works, what are the things or elements behind it, the techniques that how it works. Then it uses machine learning to understand and respond in natural language. That is also you have I hope you have known about natural language processing, that is NLP. So and it is trained using reinforcement learning from human feedback, that is also called RLHF. So now we got the overview of ChatGPT. Now we are going to move to ChatGPT tool. So I will write ChatGPT chat.openai.com and click the enter button. Now here you can see the ChatGPT 5.2 version. This is the latest, and basically it works uh, on the prompt given by you. What types of prompt you are delivering to ChatGPT, it delivers the answer based on your prompt. So if you want to create or analyze an image, so you have to insert that image or write a prompt that I want this type of image, then it will generate that image after given the prompt by you. And or even you can write like content, blog article, PR, white papers, whatever you want, you can do this by this generative AI tool. So let's see an example that how it works. For example, if I want to a blog of 800 words, then that I want that write a blog on the given topic, and what is AI. Okay, so given the prompt by you, it works on that. Okay, so you have to include everything that you want. Like if you want an SEO specific blog, SEO optimized blog, then you have to mention here that I want SEO optimized blog, including the focus keyword and secondary keyword. And so you have to mention the secondary keywords. Okay, like this, like what is artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence. Okay, generative AI. So these are the secondary keywords, and now include also the focus keyword or primary keyword. Both are same. What is AI? Okay. So now, and if you want in simple and natural language, so write here, write in simple language. So this is the prompt that you have given to ChatGPT. Now it will generate on-page blog and also include the word count limit. So here write in 800 words, including 5 FAQs. So it will include 5 FAQs also. So now let's enter and see what will be the result. So see, it is generating the content. See, the language is simple as given in the prompt. So basically the title is what is AI, a beginner friendly guide to artificial intelligence. So you can change the title according to you, that according to your need. So basically now copy all the content and paste in your notepad or whatever you are using, like Google Docs or a Word file, and now you can modify that content according to you. Okay, so this is basically about ChatGPT working, how it works. It it all depend on you, that what type of prompt you are delivering to ChatGPT. Okay, so based on your prompt, it gives you the answer. So that's it, and that's all about ChatGPT. I have told everything about it, that how, what it is and how it works. So, and the main thing is prompt. It is also known as prompt engineering. Okay, so all everything is based on your prompt, that what type of prompt, what kind of prompt, how you are saying your things in your way in conversation. So basically it made a conversation with you, that how you talk with this AI tool. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like, then please like and comment and subscribe to this channel for such an informative video. Now let's see in the next video. Thank you so much.